On today's body cam, we're checking out police confront toxic baby mama at her ex's house. Chaos erupts. Ooh.
On July 3rd, a woman storms into her ex's apartment and attacks him and his new partner, demanding child support for kids who aren't even biologically his, while leaving them alone outside in the cold.
Oh. For kids that are not even biologically his.
Ah, she biting the bro.
Get up.
Bro, I'm not doing.
Get up.
Bro.
Stay on the ground. Just stay down.
Bro, I'm not doing shit,
You're
bro.
good. Both of y'all good. Stay over here.
I'm not doing shit.
I got you. You stay down.
I'm not
Turn
doing
around.
shit, bro.
No. Back the
Bro, chill out.
What do you want to do?
She got a knife.
What do you want to do?
Bro.
Get your taser.
Don't give a What?
Drop the knife.
What?
Drop the knife. Now.
What?
Drop your knife.
Sir, what do you want to do?
I want you to drop your knife.
What the
Drop your knife. Drop your knife.
No!
Drop it.
No!
The officer fires his taser, but it's ineffective.
Come to me.
Bro!
Please, bro.
No!
Oh nah, we dealing with a different type of animal here, boy. Oh yeah. He said click, click. He said what? He said click, click. Oh nah, boy. Ineffective. Oh nah. Ooh.
Now.
What?
Drop your knife.
Sir, what do you want to do?
I want you to drop your knife.
What the
Drop your knife. Drop your knife.
No!
Drop it.
No!
The officer fires his taser, but it's ineffective.
Come to me.
Bro!
Please, bro.
No!
Bro, do not touch her with no guns, bro.
Bro, well, she has a knife.
She's tweaking, bro.
Okay.
Please don't, bro.
Get over here.
Bro.
Walk to me slowly.
I don't care.
I don't want to shoot for anything crazy, but you need to get away
I
from me.
don't care. I don't care. I literally came to drop my hip out my
Chill, dude. Chill out.
I don't care.
Taser's doing nothing.
Wait, what was that other noise that happened before she?
She's tweaking, bro.
Okay.
Please don't, bro.
Get over here.
Bro.
Walk to me slowly.
I don't care.
I don't want to shoot for anything crazy, but you need to get away
I
from me.
don't care. I don't care. I literally came to drop my hip out my
Chill, dude. Chill out.
See, before that, you hear them in the background. They're like, "Hey, sit down." I think the dude or somebody out there is messing around. That's why you hear that commotion, and then she gets ramped up. Wow.
Anything crazy, but you need to get away
I
from me.
don't care. I don't care. I literally came to drop my hip out my
Chill, dude. Chill out.
I don't care.
Taser's doing nothing.
Can you come this way towards me?
Taser's doing nothing.
Can you come this way?
Bro, no. See, bro.
Bro.
Can you come this way for me?
No.
Taser's doing nothing.
No,
you're
I
fine.
can't.
Can you please come here?
No, I can't. But
Listen,
Malcolm, go
listen,
get my
hey,
motherfucking kid.
hey,
Put
listen.
the shit down, bitch.
Hey.
Go get that shit.
Stop picking.
I need to go, dumbass.
Stop picking.
Bitch, I'm not fucking you.
Oh my gosh. And they rolling around next to the knives?
What do you mean? I just throw their arm.
This is insane.
And like I said, Malcolm go get my motherfucking kid. Bitch, bitch, you couldn't see
Let
me
go of my
one-on-one. You couldn't see the one-on-one. Fuck you. Get up, bitch. Bitch, you literally dropped it. You saw me. That's the whole
Get her outside.
shit, bitch. Why you sitting outside, you dumbass bitch? You crash out, bitch.
Stand up!
Fuck you. Malcolm, stand up. Your kid is sitting outside, you dumbass bitch. You're up.
Hey, watch it. Walk away, bro.
You better hold Malcolm to get him, you dumbass. And he will. Stupid nigga, watch him all just like that, dummy. Get the fuck here. Get the no, literally. Get the fuck.
You're gonna fall down the step.
Go.
We'll carry you if we have to, dude. You're tripping for no reason.
Listen. Stop.
The leg you can't pull.
I'm going to be calm. Break it. I'm going to be calm.
Okay, well get your foot out.
No.
And walk like a grown adult.
No.
Get your foot out!
Fuck you. No. No.
Oh, he's doing the shot.
I'm going to shake my head.
You're only making it worse.
No. Stop.
Carry her down.
I literally just said.
This is a
I
parent?
don't want my kids to see me.
Too bad.
Like this. Fuck that. Let them dad come get them.
Now walk normal.
Stand up.
Break my arms.
Stand up.
You're tweaking.
No, you're tweaking.
No, let me stand up.
Can you get? That's her kid.
No.
Stand up.
Stop.
Well,
Stop.
I'm trying. We try to have you come out every way chill.
And I tried to. Did you not see him and his bitch was literally in there fucking jumping me?
No. Sit down. Put your feet in.
No.
How are they in their apartment jumping you? Why are you in their apartment?
No, let his dad come get
Put your
him.
feet in.
Let his dad come
We'll call him.
fucking
Put
get
your feet in.
No, he's
Put your
literally
feet
in
in.
there.
That's fine.
Sir, you're literally gonna have to.
We'll figure it out later.
No, his dad is in there. Let his dad come get him.
Okay, we'll go talk to him.
I don't give a fuck what happens to me, but let his dad come get him. His bitch literally just. No.
She's not gonna move her foot.
No. They're gonna have to like it.
Get it in there. I'm trying to be chill for you.
No,
You want your kids to keep seeing you do this?
I don't.
Okay, well put your feet in the door and shut the door.
Bitch, I'm not doing
Dude, no, you're not. Stay in the car. Push her. You're gonna have to pull her all the way.
I'm stuck in the seatbelt now.
Yeah, I'm about to break my shoulder.
Boy, that's you.
We gotta get the full details. Wells is getting that now.
Probably have resisting and
Yeah.
at least that. So,
She had the knife up like this at me and Wells. Me and Wells.
you too?
Yeah, both of us.
She's like, she got fucking shot.
Well, Wells tried to de-escalate it. She wasn't moving, so I said, I tried using the taser, ripped it out once, waited a second time, did nothing again, and
That taser ain't worth a damn, man. That shit said click, click, click. She said, what? Then he reloaded it. Went back for round 2. Said click, click. Oh, no, boy. I know he looking like, oh, no.
and she started throwing shit.
Like 5 or 6 darts?
Four.
4?
She kept
The kitchen is like this, so him and Wells are already in there. I'm just standing there dodging the debris that's.
She started throwing
shattered.
pans at one of the other girls. As soon as she came close enough, Wells was able to grab her. I reholstered and I helped toss her to the ground. Yeah.
Well, not only that, she's throwing dishes and blenders and
I was fine with that, as long as she kept moving forward.
kitchen appliance that was laying there.
With the suspect apprehended, an officer heads back to speak with the victims.
I don't know. We got into an altercation. I can't walk on it. It's still just. You gotta. Can you hit the button on the door?
Female victim downstairs or upstairs apartment, kicked in a knee and possibly broken.
Oh my God.
So, can you kind of tell me what happened?
Everything happened so fast.
I get it.
I don't know, man. Everything literally happened so fast. Next thing I know, she's in an apartment and boom.
Did she just come in here and start like?
I don't know. I was in the.
My mom was
Kai, get in here. Come here. Sit down.
Did she
Sit
pick
down.
up any weapons to her jaw?
No.
She was in here. So she drove here with her kids in the car.
That's what it's looking like. She didn't threaten us with no weapons. No.
She just came in here acting out.
I don't know. I was in the bathroom.
Okay.
You have to ask him. I was in the bathroom, came out. I just know my knee is out of place.
So, I mean, I'm guessing you said she called you, she was asking for you to keep them, and then you already knew the type of time it was because she sounded drunk or something, you told her not to bring them, and then she just showed up.
God just being disrespectful with me.
Did she hit you?
I'm like, don't bring him. This guy got it.
So what led to you being on top of her? Like, did she start attacking you or something?
Here.
To start?
Here. Good.
Do you want to do a statement?
Do these people do they know how to complete a goddamn sentence? Like, come on, man. What happened? It's simple. Yo, she came, she wanted the, okay. When she got here, she just blasted through the door. She punched me in my face. She pulled my hand. It's like they're talking in code. I can't even understand what happened. Damn, man. Listen to this guy.
To start.
Here. Good.
Do you want to do a statement?
No, I don't want to do. She's just tripping though. She needed to stay away from me.
I got you, but based off of just the stuff, I mean, she's getting charged 1,000% even without your statement, just so you know.
You should not need a
Can I get pictures of you still up?
a restraining order or something.
Yeah, oh no, there will be.
I don't get it. If you don't want to do a statement, then why'd you call the cops? You should just took your ass whooping.
All right, this is
Turn the other way from me.
the second time.
That's not his kids. He's not wanting to do a statement or anything. I guess they haven't lived together for like 3 years, but they used to be together. He basically raised these kids with her, but they're not his biological kids, obviously. Somebody must have buzzed her in.
No. How does she get into the actual apartment itself?
Oh, he said that he really don't even, both of them are stating they don't remember shit.
They were what?
They don't remember. Like, they're all like black, like not drunk or anything, but like having some type of I don't know. Like, I asked her, I said, how did she get in? I don't know.
Let her in, or did they not let her in?
I don't know. I said, did she break into the apartment? I've asked multiple times. He just said he keeps saying it's a blank. She keeps saying it's a blank. Yeah, is what it sounded like. I mean, he
Two fucking numbnuts, man.
On his half is what he's basically telling me. He just don't want her to come back.
You got at least 2 counts of assault on a police officer.
You got at least 2 counts of assault on a police officer.
For the time being, I don't even remember. Did she hit me?
She was throwing, well, I mean, plates and blenders?
Shit, yeah.
I don't. She kicked you Wells right here, so.
Why are you trying to pass this to me?
I'm not trying to pass it.
Obviously resisting, obstructing.
Obstructing. I mean, she put up a knife, though. I don't know if she was throwing it towards me or towards herself, but she kept holding it right here.
Well, yeah, but at least at this point, her throwing this shit at you guys is enough. It's cause or attempt to cause.
What the the taser didn't even work.
That'll be the
That thing, it was like
assault,
a toy.
so that'll be enough to get her into county.
The suspect was arrested for obstructing justice, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, domestic violence, breaking and entering, child endangerment.
Oh, god damn, I ain't know all that. God, wait.
And criminal damage to property. No information about her plea or sentencing has been made available to the public.
Yeah, man, and this is the thing, man. The title of it was like, and sometimes these titles they have a lot more body cam footage than what they actually chop up and put out. But the police confront toxic baby mom at her ex's house. Chaos erupts, and then the beginning was like, she wanted him to pay child support and take the kid. The kid isn't even hers. He's he playing the stepdaddy role or whatever, and they not even together no more, which is good, but go get the dad. Like, what the hell? Like, I mean, whatever. Let me get off here before I say something.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide crazy.